The exception handler is a node that catches and manages runtime errors, allowing your bot to continue executing. Correctly handling errors and exceptions is a crucial step in maintaining the integrity of the conversational experiences that you build on Botpress. In this video, I'll show you how to use the exception handler to handle those errors. First, we need to think about where some of these possible errors might occur. In this example, I'm anticipating that I might run into an issue executing this block of custom code. Rather than send users through the global error workflow, which catches unexpected errors, I can ensure the conversation can resume without ever having to leave this current workflow. Since I know at what stage in the conversation this error is likely to occur, I can provide a contextual message and resume the workflow in a way and location that makes sense. Now that we've identified where this potential error might occur, I can go ahead and place the exception handler. You can access it by right-clicking anywhere in the studio and selecting Exception Handler from the menu that appears. This node listens in on active conversations and will only trigger when an error occurs. Then I can use it to send a contextually relevant error message and resume the conversation in the same workflow. Now that we've set everything up, let's test it out. For this trivial example, I've placed some junk code in this execute code card, which will always return an error. To verify that the exception handler is working, I'll just place a simple node here with a text card inside it. Inside, I'll just say something like, "Oops, there's been an error." At this point, in a normal workflow, you might use this to resume the workflow or conversation at a point that makes sense. For now, let's test this out in the emulator. If I say hi, I see that an error has occurred, and my exception handler has correctly redirected me to the appropriate place. Properly handling exceptions like these is an essential step in ensuring that the conversations users have with your bot end in a successful resolution. Pretty cool. Happy bot building.